Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find and join a thread on a Discord. So of course you need to keep in mind that some threads can be private. You might not be permitted to join a certain thread if it is set private, and then in that case you have to be invited in order to see that thread. Or even if you find a thread, you might still lack permissions where you will be able to send a message pretty much. However, in order to find a thread, you can first search for it in the specific text channel. So for instance, in my general text channel, this thread has been created over here. And as you can see, I can click on it in order to open it on the right side, like so. You can click on the title over here, you can click on the message, and it does the same thing. You can also click on the threads icon over here in the top right corner. And here you will find all active threads. You can click on the thread that you want to open. So let's click on this one, and then you will see it like it was a text channel. However, as you can see at the bottom, I don't have permissions to send any messages in that thread. So keep that in mind, that this might be also the case in your case. And if you wish to have permissions, then of course you have to ask someone that is responsible for granting permissions on the server, or you need to be invited by the person who has created this thread or a mod. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.